Okay, let's talk about your work for today. So you've already read our target, you've already watched our introduction, you listened to the target video, and you've watched this animal and plant life cycle video, which was pretty funny and silly. Now it's time to do this class excitement chart. Now here's the special thing about today's work. In class, we would normally have what's called an anchor chart. And that's where the teacher would stand in front of the classroom and they would be asking questions and writing your answers on the chart. Well, since we're not together, we can't really do that. But we can have a shared chart on a Google Doc. So what you're going to do is you're going to click right here on this link. It says, what are you excited about? Here's the link to our class excitement chart. Add one sentence that tells what you are excited to learn as we investigate life cycles. So if you click on this link, it brings you to this shared Google document. Now, I say shared because everyone in 3rd grade can see this document, okay? So when you get here, you have to use like self-control. You need to be using integrity. You need to make sure you're not erasing anyone's work. So whenever it's your turn, you're going to come in and you're going to click on one of these boxes. And I have a sentence starter for you right here. I am excited to learn about whatever it is you're excited to learn about. Animals. When you're done, you need to make sure you sign this. How I'm going to do this is I'm going to push this little dash. It's right next to the 0. And then I'm going to put my name. That's how I know who wrote that. If you don't have your name there, I'm not going to know who said they were excited to learn about hedgehogs. I could probably guess, but I need your name there, okay? So that's how you do our class excitement chart.